handling Oris, I think, for the past almost 9 years or so, 9 to 10 years. Okay. See, one of the things that you try to do, okay, what Oris does on their end. One, they ensure a good ambience, they ensure a good service, they ensure that the what you call quality of food, the quality of experience is good. Okay, what do we do as an advertising agency? We stand as a mirror, okay, to tell the people that this is the kind of experience, this is the kind of ambience that you get at Oris through medias like outdoor or through whatever be that, using a certain kind of a aesthetic, okay, in terms of its creative, that reflects the kind of experience ambience which an upscale market wants, which Oris is delivering, absolutely. Okay, so what essentially happens with advertising? See, you would have seen, like, let's take for example paintings. You would have seen paintings which are absolutely bad. You would have also seen paintings which are extremely wonderful. Okay, so now what is a creative within advertising? An advertising with what you call creative at the end of it is either like a painting which is good, okay, or like a movie in the case of an ad film which is good. So that is, the moment you see it, you can make out that a particular film has a good idea, has good actors or good theme or good storyline, good music. So you can make out that the package is good. Okay, and if it's interesting, it's a bonus, obviously. But as long as this aesthetic quality is maintained, and for a brand like Oris, which anyway delivers the same kind of experience in its outlets. So it's a marriage between a good creative and a good product at the end of it, which creates the brand. Media mixes largely, yes, like you have stated, upscale market. Okay, so upscale market, where do you go for the media? Okay, so we basically go for the newspapers, we go for the magazines which are local, we go for outdoor, we go for a lot of work which is inside the restaurants, which actually is not visible for a lot of people. Okay, well, small things like tent cards, one standee, what's the kind of packaging that you do for a particular buffet, you know, things like those is what we sit with the client for.